Hello designers! In this video, I will teach you how to create this type of text effect poster design in Adobe Illustrator. The artboard size is 1080 by 1350. First, go to the type of tool and type the alphabet. In my case, I choose the letter S. I'm using the Aller Display Regular font for this design. Right-click on it and create the outline, resize it a bit, then go to the free Transform tool and Perspective Distort. Follow my steps here. Change the fill to stroke, go to the Direct Selection tool, select these anchor point and delete them. Right-click on it and ungroup. Right-click again and release Compound Path. Then go to the type of tool, click and hold to open the related tool font, and choose Type on a Path tool. Click on the line and type the text, then set the size and change its case to upper. Follow my steps here. Repeat the process with the other line, then change the font Nagasaki Regular. Follow my settings. After that, go to the Type menu, type on a path and skew. Follow my steps here. Then right-click on it to create outline. Here you can follow my other text settings. Now we need to make an effect of text shadow. Hold the Alt button to make a copy of it. Apply the gradient to it. Follow my gradient settings. Now we can create a background composed entirely of text. Go to the Type of tool, type a text, go to the Object menu, repeat in grid, follow me here. And that's it. Share your ideas, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments section. Bye for now. See you in the next video.